What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 119, and today's topic will be how to evaluate LLM response using Langchain. Okay, so let's say you have an application or you have one LLM application, and that LLM application obviously generating some responses, right? Now you got a request, or maybe there is some requirement coming from your client that your client wants to evaluate the LLM response based on certain parameters, and they want to see those metrics, like let's say on the LangSmith. Okay, so how to do that? Right, so that will be the thing. So first thing for this tutorial, we'll be going to create some data set like question and actual answer, and then we'll be going to pass the same question to the LLM. We'll be going to get the generated answer. Then with the actual answer, we'll be going to compare the predicted answer or generated answer by AI. And based on that, we'll be going to get some response, like whether it's a correct answer, whether it's not correct answer, something. Okay, so for that I'll be going to use the langsmith library. If you don't have installed this thing, then probably you have to install those things like pip install langsmith. Okay, and after that, if you go to this link, let me show you this link, smith.langchain.com. From there you have to create an API key, and after that you have to set your API key inside an environment variable like I did here. I'm not going to open that, and you will be able to see my API key. Once this is done, then we'll be going to start working on the task. Now next thing, we have created this CSV file like question and answer. What is an algorithm like this? So all this thing I'll be going to host on LangSmith. Okay, and then we'll be going to start working on this thing. So first thing, we have to load this data set into LangSmith. Maybe I can open it. So right now, if you see here, I don't have any data set created. Okay, so we're going to do that thing first. LangSmith data set. Okay, so let's start working on that. Okay, just hold on. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll be going to, let's see. Okay, so first thing first, import io with io.open, then okay, data equals to f1.read. Okay, sorry, and then f1.close. Okay, and let me print this data here. Okay, everything is printed, right? So now what we'll do, we want to do this thing, data dot split. I'll do the splitting based on the new line character slash n. Okay, and let's print. Yeah, and I want to ignore the first. Okay, then probably it will ignore the first. Okay, right, so maybe my lines will be this will be actually separated by a comma, if I'm not wrong, right? Okay, so let's see. Okay, done. Now it will do for line in lines. Okay, so question equals to line dot split, comma, always question will be the 0 and answer will be the first element. Okay, and this is going to be one. Yes. Okay, done. Now what we'll do? Now we'll be going to write this thing into a LangSmith UI. Okay, I mean we'll be going to do it in the LangSmith, but we'll be able to actually see it from there. Okay, for that, what are the things we have to import? So first thing, LangSmith. From LangSmith, import client. Okay, okay. Then we'll be going to import OS. Okay, OS module. Okay, then we'll be going to import from .env, import load.env, right? Then load.env, like this. Okay, okay. Now what will happen? Langchain API key, Langchain CHAIN underscore API underscore key equals to OS dot get env. Okay, and it will be in the Langchain underscore API underscore. Okay, so this is Langchain API key. Okay, guys, some noises are coming. I don't know whether this will be picked up in the video or not, but I'm just trying to upload the video. If you guys get some noise, then please, I'm sorry, because there's some festival. Okay, so this is actually festival season or festival time in India, and some cultural activities are going on. Okay, so that is why. Okay, so now what we'll do? So this is done. Now up to this point everything is fine. Now what we'll do? We'll be going to create our database dataset name. So data. Okay, dataset name equals to QA. Okay, okay, or maybe I can just write test data. Okay, done. Now what we'll do? Now another thing we can do here. Let's say dataset equals to client dot create dataset. Where is the create dataset? Client dot create dataset, and inside that I'll be just going to put the dataset name. Okay, up to this point everything is fine. So this is our dataset, remember, right? Now what we'll do, we'll be going to create the examples now. Okay, okay. So how these examples are going to be created? So if you see here, all questions are actually created inside one thing. So what I can do, I can create something called just hold on, let me think. I can create actually. So let's say I will just create questions, it's a blank thing, and then what will happen? So questions dot append. Okay, append. So this is going to be a list, right? So append, questions should append, and there what we'll do, I'll be just going to write question, and there I'll be just going to post the question. Okay, in this way we'll be going to create a list. Okay, so question will be QUESTIA, question, and there I'll be just going to write this question, right? So every time I'll get a new question, it will be appended here. So same thing, I'll be going to create answer. Answer NSWS. Okay, this is also a list, right? So I will do the same thing. NSWS. Okay, append. Okay, like this. Okay, what will happen? answer, right? Then what we'll do, a, right? Okay, fine, all done, right? Everything is created here, right? Okay, so question is completed, answer is completed. So what we'll do now, uh, I'll be going to uh, create, let's say I want to print this thing in, uh, let's see. Okay, so let's do the print. So with in X, let's see whether I am getting the correct thing or not. Okay, okay, let's see. Okay, create dataset missing argument dataset name. Okay, so basically here it should be dataset name. Okay, so let's working on this again one more time. Okay, so client dot missing one record positional argument cell. Okay, client dot create dataset. I don't know why this is giving this error always. It is saying required one positional argument cell. This is so frustrating, guys. Just give me some minute. I don't know why this is coming. Okay, okay. So just hold on, guys. So I did a mistake. This client. So okay, I did a mistake. So it will be client. It will be client. Client equals to capital client like this. Okay, and here also. Okay, client. I think I okay. Okay, I guess. Okay, fine. Okay, it's done. Okay, line dot split. Okay, I think in my case probably I have some blank line, so that is why the error. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so basically the thing is that this data set is available, so I got some error. So what I'll do, I'll delete this thing. Yeah, this data set is okay. So what I'll do, I'll remove this data set. Okay, let me remove this data set. Okay, okay. So data set is removed. Now what we'll do? Okay. So let's see. Okay, everything is fine. Now what I'll do? I'll just delete this thing and I'll just going to now load everything. Okay. So the loading will be done now. How the loading will be done? So let's wait. So question is ready, answer is ready. Now we'll be just going to load the thing, right? For loading, it will be very much simple thing, right? So, so see, so it should be client dot create example. Uh, okay, okay, create examples. So it will be like this. Okay, it will have two parameter inputs and outputs, right? So let's say inputs will be a list, so that list will be what, that list will be qsns, right? I believe this is done. Outputs will be a n s w s. Okay, done. The next parameter will be dataset id, right? So dataset id, so dataset id will be dataset.id. So now where is the dataset? So remember we created our dataset here, right? Here dataset.id, so it should be dataset.id, right? Everything is fine. Now if I execute this thing, this is going to create the data over here, right? So let's execute. Hopefully there should not be any error and everything will be created. So let's wait. Okay, okay, so this is finished, means no error, means everything is created. So if you click here, okay, okay, everything is created, right? We have total showing 15, next page another 15, third page another 15, and next page next 5. Okay, total 50. right? 15 into 3, 45, 50, right? Fine, everything is fine, right? Good. So now go here and let's do it. It's no experiment. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll be going to do the launch the experiment now, right? So this is our main code. So for experiment, what we'll do, I will let's say up to, I think these things will be required. Okay, Control C and let's create another thing like this. Okay, right, right. Now couple of additional modules will be required. So those will do it. So from Langchain OpenAI import chat OpenAI. Okay, 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 fine. So this is done. So now the main part, the evolution part. So we'll be going to do the evolution part now, right? So it will be from Langchain underscore core dot prompts, right? Dot prompt. Okay. Input input prompt template. Okay. 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 PROMPT prompt. Okay. I don't know why this is not coming. Okay. So it will import. Okay. Okay. So this is prompt template, right? So this is done. Now next thing is actually we have to import this library. Okay. LangSmith. Okay. 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 Fine. Okay. Next couple of things. Let me do it from LangSmith. Okay. Okay. LangSmith. Okay. Smith schemas. Okay. Run. Example. Okay. Okay. Everything is ready here. No problem at all. Right. So first thing, what I'm thinking, let me do LLM equals to chat OpenAI. Okay. Model equals to GPT hyphen 40. So basically this model will be used to evaluate the two answer, and to generate response will be going to use the GPT-4 model, only GPT-4. Okay. Okay. So now next thing what we'll do, we'll be going to create a template. Okay. Okay, template. So template I already copied here, so I'll be just going to paste it so you guys can read it here. This is a template, very simple thing. This you are an expert professor specialized in grading students answer to question. You are grading following question. Here is the real answer, here is the grading predicted answer responded with the correct incorrect grade. Okay, now what we'll do, now we'll be going to create our prompt. Okay. Okay, prompt will be, let's say, prompt template. Okay. Okay, so prompt template like this. Okay, and here what will happen, input variables. Okay, sorry, it will be input. Okay, what are the things will be there in the input variable? That is very important. In the input variable there are three things: query, question, answer. Okay, so this is query. Okay, then like this, then answer. Okay. Okay. Okay, template equals to, okay, okay. Now we're going to set up a QE evaluate. Okay, okay. So now Langchain Smith thing evaluate. So what are the things will be required? So it will be QA, okay, and config, okay. So okay, in the config, what is required? Config, we have to set up the LLM. I mean, what will be our configuring LLM? So this is our this LLM, okay, LLM, okay, and what prompt it is going to use? So it will be ROMPT prompt, and this prompt will be our this prompt. Okay, okay. So up to this point, I believe everything is fine. Let's execute and check whether you're getting any error or not. So there is no error means up to this point everything is fine. So almost 50% of the code is ready. Now only two function I have to create, right? So let's run those two functions. The first function is actually we'll be going to compare based on the length of the response. Means we will have some response length. Like for example, if I go here dataset, if you see every output has a length, and from the LLM also will be going to generate the response, and those also will have length. So based on the length, we'll understand whether it's a correct answer or not. Okay. So let's see. Okay. So okay, if let's say evaluate length, evaluate underscore, okay, okay, evaluate length, okay. So okay, okay, so this is going to be run, okay, then okay, then what else? Then example, okay, okay, example, and here it will be okay, okay. Now prediction, prediction. So prediction will be what? Run dot outputs, okay, dot get, okay, okay, output or blank, okay, okay. Required, what is required? Okay, required example dot outputs dot get, okay, okay. Now score, okay, 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 prediction, right? Okay, okay, like this, okay, okay. Then it will be length, okay, all right. So it will be length of required, okay, and I believe there should be length, okay, it should be alien length, okay, length, okay, and I don't know, like length, int length prediction less than 2, okay, 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 expected parameter pylons, okay. I don't understand what is happening here. uh, what is this? I don't understand. Sorry. So it should be like this. I don't know why I put equals to there. Okay, so now what will happen? So now let's see. Okay, so let's create TUR in return. Okay, okay, so it should be key. Okay, like this, and it should be length. Okay, score. Okay, all right, everything is fine, right? Now there will be another function. So that function is actually kind of getting response. So maybe I can just say my app. Okay, so guys, the documentation of this code is actually available in the like Langchain official website. Okay, if you just search with uh, evaluation, you'll get everything from there. Okay, so now I will just write return. So I don't know. Okay, so okay, there is something interesting. So just hold on. OpenAI, and probably I have to create this thing. OpenAI AI underscore client is going to be OpenAI. Okay, dot client. Okay, everything is fine to this point. We don't have any problem. Okay, now what we'll do? So OpenAI client dot chat, okay, dot completions dot create, like this. Okay, all done. Now what we'll do? Model. So in a model we'll be just going to write GPT hyphen 4. Okay, okay, and then what will happen? Temperature equals to 0, right? Then messages, okay, like this. Okay, with this, and there should be another comma, and that is also like this. Okay, role system, role user. So first of all, let's complete this thing. Role. Okay, role system. Okay, role will be system. Let's do a comma and go down, right? Now next thing will be content. Content equals to uh, okay, respond to user question in a short and concise concise manner, right? Okay, and there will be going to write one short sentence. One short sentence. Right? Okay, done. Now here the same thing, role and content, right? What I'll do, I'll be just going to copy a little bit, copy paste we can do, right? So the system will be user. Okay, now content will be question, right? Remember, so you have to remove. Okay, all done, right? Everything is ready, right? And now that will be choices of 0, right? Dot message content. So we all know till now, right? Message content. God, they actually stopped playing the uh, noise. Okay. So now there is another thing, def LangSmith app. So okay, so this is actually going to call this function. This function is ultimately going to call this function. Okay, input. Okay, inputs are actually same thing, like whatever is set in the database, those question will be used as input. So output will be what? My app. My app. Then it should be inputs. The inputs, whatever is coming from here, inside that question. Okay, because in the web, in the UI, I think you have seen it. Return is actually output, and this output will be this output. Okay, this output. Okay, this output is this output. So this is also done. Just hold on, guys. I'm getting a call. Yes. Okay. So guys, I'm just getting a call. Give me some time. I'll come back shortly. Okay, guys, I'm back now. I think we have to import one more module. So from LangSmith, import. What are you gonna import? Evaluate. Okay, right, done. Now, so now couple of lines. So experiment. I'm just setting up a variable, right? Is evaluate. Okay, and there we have to write a couple of things. So my app name is actually LangSmith app. So this is my app, LangSmith app. Okay. Okay. Now next thing, my data, name of the data set equals to what? So it will be, let's say, test underscore data. Okay, test underscore data, right? My next parameter will be evaluator. Okay, evaluators. Okay, what are the evaluators are there? So one evaluate is length, evaluate length, and I need to actually pass the evaluator function. So I think, where is that? This keyword evaluator. Okay. Okay. To a evaluator. Okay, this is done. Now experiment prefix. Right. So now want to give a name. So if you see here, we are using GPT-4. So I want to give a name, right? OpenAI GPT-4 means every experiment will have a prefix. Okay. So now if you see here, there is no experiment, right? There is no experiment. So let's execute this thing. We'll be able to see some experiment. So let's execute. Hopefully, I did not like make any mistake. So yeah, it means it's running. It's taking some time. It's going with some execution frame. See, hopefully it will be finished now. Okay. So let's wait for some time. Yeah, it's done. Now what we'll do? We'll go here, and everything is coming. This experiment, and if you see here, so this total 49 correct and one is incorrect. Let's click on this thing. We'll be able to see which one is correct and which one is incorrect. Right. Okay. So almost giving the correct answer. And I believe this is what is incorrect? I just want to see the incorrect one. Okay, I didn't find that incorrect one yet. It's saying it is giving one incorrect. I want to just see the incorrect. Yeah, this is incorrect. So a queue is a data structure that follows the a queue that follows. Okay, so this is something, and let's click, and this is my answer, and yeah. So it's not correctly giving the first in first out, so that is why the problem. Okay, intentionally I made it. Okay. So this is how you can This is how you can evaluate your answer based on the reference output. So see, you can create a SQL, and from that SQL you can create this data set within LangSmith as well. Right now I just did it using CSV. You can do it anything with anything, right? So I believe you guys will like this tutorial. This is very advanced tutorial, and I haven't done anything similar previously, so that is why I did it. I hope you guys will like it. And as I told you, there is some there are some festival like holidays and seasons are going on in my hometown. That is why there are some cultural activities. So some noise maybe you guys will find in the video. So just excuse those moments. Okay. Okay, so that's it. I'm just going to conclude the video over here. But before I conclude, guys, please try to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share the videos with your family and friend, and don't forget to put some comment if you really like the video, if you find something beneficial out of it. So let us know so that other people also will find this video beneficial, and also this will help us to like get some push from the YouTube algorithm. So guys, please help me to grow. I need your help and support to grow. Okay. So that's it. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Have a nice day.